Is your Audi A5's alarm randomly blaring? It's a common issue, especially in 2007-2017 models. The most frequent causes are a dying Siren battery, an overly sensitive interior motion sensor, or a faulty hood switch. Let's break down how these components trigger false alarms. First, the Siren has a rechargeable 9 volts battery. If it's weak, it can trigger the alarm intermittently. Second, the interior motion sensor can be too sensitive, reacting to vibrations from wind or passing cars. Finally, corrosion or misalignment of the hood switch can signal a false hood opening. Knowing these issues is the first step to fixing the problem. For the Siren battery, replace it every 3 to 5 years with a high-quality lithium battery. Many owners on forums like Audi World report this solves frequent alarms. Next, adjust the interior motion sensor's sensitivity. You can disable it via the key fob or use a diagnostic tool like VCDS. YouTube tutorials, such as those on Audi DIY, demonstrate how. Lastly, inspect the hood switch for corrosion. Clean it, or if necessary, replace the switch. A multimeter should show near zero resistance when the hood is closed. Otherwise, replace the switch. Remember, online forums suggest 80% of these fixes cost under $50 and take less than an hour. If these steps don't work, consider a diagnostic scan for error codes like P1621 or P624, which may require a dealer visit or a VCDS scan. Also note, if you are in coastal regions that environmental corrosion is more likely, check these parts more often.